Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create spline curve. Basically spline curve is made for controlling curve because I do whatever form to create in curve form and control for our spline. So when just go for start in curve spline, how to control. When where is just find out the spline here. When go to draw command, basically enter this draw command here, and I have discussed already previous command in normal command. This is the this like here, this one is spline CV, curve control type of spline here. So when I go to spline, when I make this spline start from here, this point, and remove the orthogonal and just make the triangular form in diagram here. When I also make the triangular form and also okay, now enter this here. Again I will click this triangular form and make the easy way of create in spline. When click here and do adjustment in our spline working here. Okay, so then go to enter. When this is create the simple spline diagram, and now this make one. When I want to go to adjustment this whole diagram, so when I click there, now I want to stretch this down direction, so it will become the down direction. Then this point is going to upward direction, so it is go for upward direction. So according to point adjustment is more importance. If what you want and what your adjustment is here, our diagram. This point will, where is it? So I want go to adjustment here. This point I will come from down direction, and also again this point it's go for upward direction. Like okay, same this point I have taken and stretch right now. Some distances also go to stretch here. Then also I will click the point in down direction. So it means very good for adjustment. You see here our diagram is how much to bending, but I will go to properly adjustment like that, whatever I want and which direction I want to go movement and bending here. So look like this our all total bending has been provided. So it means I have whatever adjustment in spline CV curve control. So today has completed the session, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.